Hey, what's up, Digibyte coin holder? What's going on this time? Digibyte condition is very good now, my friend, but especially from last 3 days, my friends, Digibyte were very badly fails down. So therefore, it's everything is going very bad now. You can see minus 5.17%. The Digibyte price will decrease now. It's really bad news, but don't worry, my friends. I hope today will recover this all loss and get again profit. But as you can see, my friend, this time a Digibyte price 0.047464 USD dollar. This is the current price, and you can see here the highest points. The highest price is 0.05, so absolutely the price fell less than from the highest point. And what's the reason? What's the reason behind this, my friends? So they were fails down. This is the main question. Absolutely, I'm going to show you, my friend, everything live now. But kindly, if you are new to my channel, subscribe it. All right, thank you so much. Complete my 15,000 subscriber. That's really good, my friend, for me to have you all hit 15,000 subscriber. Just complete this huge family, my brother. As you can see, my friends, Gigabyte price will fails down from resistance line. So definitely, when they will fails down from resistance line, my friend, you can see here to absolutely they will get a loss. But if they will, my friends, hit the resistance line, so they will completely on the profit. Otherwise, my friends, they were fails down, so therefore they will loss now. So I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time they will pumps up, because experts is to after a dump every coin will pumps up. So therefore I am 100% sure to upcoming days after the mid of month every coin will pumps up. So therefore this reality, my friends, to the very huge pump is coming soon. So please holders, my prediction is 100% going positive, and my opinion is for all of you to please hold down. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. And my friends, there is a chance to Digibyte will collaborate with a lot of companies, so this is really good news for all of you. Please, my friend, invest now, because the market cap is will be increasing if they are invest now, my friend. So please invest you also to they will get a very good profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.